Hi, I'm Ian Saucy, and today I'm going to help you dress appropriately for your next presentation. When you're presenting something, you rarely think about what you want to wear, like the day or even the hour before. But what if I told you that what you wear is just as important as what's on your PowerPoint? Just as you wouldn't go to a job interview wearing Crocs and tank top, you wouldn't want to stand up in front of an audience wearing a graphic tee and ripped jeans. Even your choice in style will tell the audience a lot more than you think. Colors, for instance, you would want to wear neutrals, whites, or browns if you want to look more professional or trustworthy. Nothing too bright or colorful, since colors like red, which is an intense color, and yellow, which can trigger the anxiety center of the brain, Colors have very variety of emotional triggers behind them. Red and yellow and oranges seen as warning dangers in nature. Red on yellow, you're a dead fellow. For you never really heard a saying about a blue or green snake being venomous. Green is more of a stable, balanced color, and blue has a calming effect on a person. You also want to take into consideration your outfit. You wouldn't want to wear a cocktail dress while talking about the preservation of polar bears in the Arctic. As well, you wouldn't want to wear a suit while talking to a group of incoming freshmen at orientation. You have to understand your audience to know how dressed up you should be. This really relies on the age group more heavily than other factors. Usually, younger audience, the less formal you want to be. Otherwise, you can come off contradicting your topic, or you may seem as you're looking down upon them. If you're going to go to a nuclear power summit, you would want to wear something more business-like, so you would look more experienced. As you can see from this TED Talk, Tim Urban is wearing a t-shirt and jeans. For his talk, this works for him. He's not presenting on a serious topic and has some lighthearted jokes in his presentation. He isn't wearing something that would take away from his presentation, but works for his presentation because he understood how he wanted to execute his topic and who the audience was. Another example would be Bill Nye, the science guy. He always wears a lab coat, ones you would see someone working in a science lab. You subconsciously see his coat and know that he will be talking about science and that he is credible in that subject, because only scientists wear lab coats. And if you're a scientist, you're pretty smart. There's a lot more to appearance than one realizes. So take your time in choosing the right outfit, not only because you want to look good, but because you will appeal to your audience better.